Hey guys, we're back. We got Paleo Mark in the house.
Back in the kitchen.
How you doing, man?
Hey man, it's good to be here. Thanks for the invite back.
Yeah, Mark's fresh out of yoga class. He's hungry. So we're gonna throw together the next episode in the Paleo Express series. What's it gonna be, Mark?
The world's greatest Asian chicken salad.
Whoa. So stick around, guys, because it's gonna be a meal for a few in a minute or two. All right, Mark, so what I'm gonna have you do is man the bowl. I'll put this over here, and I'll kind of hack through stuff, throw it in there. I want you mixing it. But one task I am gonna give you is to peel these little cuties. Okay, little member, you know how to do that?
I think so.
Then peel them apart, and then let's get as much of the little membrane, white, bitter stuff out of it as possible. As Mark's doing that, I've got one large chicken breast here. Just roasted that off in the oven, 350, about 20 minutes till it reaches 165 inside. Salt and pepper, and that's it, you guys, really simple. And then next, got a little bit of cabbage. I'm gonna peel off the outside there. And going with that. A little red cabbage, maybe a quarter of a head. Cut through there. How's that looking, bud? There you go.
It's looking very, very nice, very colorful.
I'm just gonna take off about a third of each, a red, yellow, and orange. And you can just do green or red, whatever you'd like. So just provide a little bit more color. Give you one of those in there. How's it looking, bud? How's it looking?
It's looking good.
Needs a little green.
Could use a little bit of green.
A little green. I got some scallions.
Finish off the rainbow.
A couple scallions. We'll throw those in there. And then how about some cilantro? You like cilantro?
I do. I'm a big fan of the cilantro.
Okay. How about almonds? Get some. These I've toasted. How about a little handful of those?
Those are true paleo.
Toasted almonds. Looking good. How about honey? This is a good sage honey, local honey I picked up traveling to NorCal. They have those little stands on the side of the road. Little sambal. We like it hot, right?
Like a little spice in our food.
Some unseasoned rice wine vinegar. Now, is this going to kill us if we're on the paleo diet, or do you think it?
It could. I don't know a lot about rice vinegar.
Okay.
Would it be considered paleo?
I'm not sure, but I'm okay with it. I think technically no, but in the paleo garage, anything is possible. We don't discriminate that much. There we go. Some sesame oil. Boom. And then again, some gluten-free soy sauce. You could use coconut aminos if you're not a fan of this, but we'll probably be all right if we just have a couple dashes in there, right?
Boom.
Now, do you think we need to taste this, or do you think it's probably...
It's ready.
Because we didn't even taste it, right? Or just, you know it's gonna be good?
Yeah, we know it's already gonna be amazing.
So there we had it, guys. That's a meal for a few in a minute or two. How long do you think it took?
Maybe 4 minutes.
4 minutes, good, dude. And what was it?
The world's greatest Asian chicken salad.
I think so. I'm fired up to eat it. And you know, Paleo Nick here with Paleo Mark. We're just doing what we can to help you guys keep it paleo.